In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to speaker mode in Google Meet to enhance your meeting experience. Whether you prefer to listen through your device's speaker or you want to adjust your settings for a clearer audio experience, this guide will take you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, make sure your Google Meet is open and you're signed in using your Google account. Once you've joined a meeting, whether it's ongoing or you're just setting up, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the bottom right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice a series of icons. Your task is to locate the three vertical dots, which symbolize the More Options menu. Clicking on this icon will expand a list of additional settings. Among the options that appear, you'll find the Settings option. Click on Settings to open up a new window dedicated to your audio, video, and accessibility options. This window is key to making your audio adjustments, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. In the Settings window, there are tabs for audio, video, and general. Since our focus today is on altering the audio output, click on the Audio tab. Here, you'll see several options related to the input and output sources for your audio. For those who frequently attend virtual meetings, customizing these settings according to your environment and device is crucial. Next, direct your attention to the Output section. This area lets you decide where the sound from your Google Meet session will play. Click on the drop-down menu next to Output and you'll be presented with a list of available audio output devices. It's important to select Speaker from this list. Choosing Speaker will direct all audio through your device's speakers, which is particularly useful if you're in a quieter environment and need to amplify the sound. Once you've selected Speaker, take a moment to ensure your speaker volume is adequate. Sometimes simply choosing the correct output device isn't enough if your volume is too low. Adjust your device's volume settings as needed to ensure you can hear all participants clearly. Finally, after confirming your choice, click Done to close the settings window. Your choice of audio output will now be effective immediately, allowing you to enjoy your meeting with the desired audio clarity. Switching to speaker mode is a simple yet effective tweak that can improve your online meeting experience significantly. It's all about ensuring you have the clearest and most effective communication during your sessions. If you ever need to switch back or try another audio setup, simply revisit these steps. Happy meeting, and may your future discussions be clear and productive.